Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Greg Furman, market analyst here at TraderPlanet.com, and these are the market positions for October the 5th, 2011. Now, to get started, our first position for tonight is going to be in the Hecla Mining-HL stock. Now, what I'm still anticipating a move up in the metals, particularly in gold. So we're going to look at some of these mining stocks and see if we can catch a move to the upside. Now, what I can see with this particular stock, first of all, it's very reasonably priced at sitting at $5.20 per share. We're hitting grossly oversold levels. Our predicted short, medium, and long-term differences are getting ready to move back to the upside. Now, our predicted short, medium, and long-term crossovers are not overly supportive of this trade. So just to let everybody know, this is a higher risk trade, but again, I'm anticipating somewhat of a reversal in the gold contracts. Now, what we're going to be doing on this particular trade, we're going to be strictly using the Vantage Point predicted high and predicted low. So now what we're going to do is bring this up and see if we can fine-tune this entry. Now, what I do notice is that we've had significantly lower closes. 543 ranging all the way down to 516, but now we've turned a corner here and we've closed at 520. In my respectful opinion, this is a warning signal that this could be getting ready to reverse. Now, I'm looking at those gold contracts. Gold was a recommended trade for today, or yesterday, excuse me, depending when you're watching this video. And I anticipate, again, those metals to kind of, maybe not necessarily a correct or a complete reversal, but at least a correction. So looking at this for tomorrow, we've closed right around that 520 area. For tomorrow, we're looking for a very shallow pullback to 502. We're going to buy the stock. Our initial move is to 542. Now, 42 cents on a $5 stock, that is a very good move. That's almost a one, that's a very strong return. Now, again, we're not looking to overly leverage this position on our stocks, but again, a 42 cent move on a $5 stock is a very good move. So depending on how many shares you have, potentially very good returns. Now, again, we're going to be looking for that move of 42 cents, but I'm going to put our stops here at about the about $4.20. That's where I would put this stock, where I would put the stop on this particular stock. Now, looking at the past price movements on this particular stock, we can see that only a month ago this stock was in the $8 range. So this again represents very good value here, and potentially a very good return for a very small risk. Now, it's not often we see these types of stocks. These types of stocks that produce these kind of particular returns. But again, we're going to be watching that gold market very closely, and the silver market, because any of these mining stocks are going to be affected by, again, the direct metal prices. So that's our first position for tomorrow. Now, our second position is going to be in the Forex market, specifically the Euro-Swiss franc currency pair. This is a currency pair that I've made several recommendations over the last month and a half. Particularly, I've talked about this currency pair with my own clients. The Swiss National Bank has intervened. They have pegged the Swiss franc to the euro at the 120 level. We can see now the Vantage Point 18-day predicted moving average sitting at the 120.74 level. This represents an excellent buying opportunity. Now, last week we were buying heavily off that 121.20 area. We've had a nice push higher, break higher today, all the way up to 122.83. Again, a very good trade, knowing that we have some downward support from the Swiss National Bank. So let's have a look at things for tomorrow. Our predicted MACD and our predicted TSI are pretty much flat. The predicted short, medium, and long-term differences sitting at the zero line. So this is somewhat of not just necessarily a technical trade, but this is also a fundamental trade. Now, our trades for tonight, we're basing them more or less solely on the Vantage Point daily report. We can see here we've had a number of down days starting from 121.89 all the way down to 121.38. Today we've closed at 122.14, a nice little reversal there. So for tomorrow we're looking at 121.82, 122.63. this is the range we're going to play. So for tomorrow, any move towards this 121.82 area, we're going to use that as a buying opportunity. And again, we want to get long here. Our first initial target for our day traders, 122.63, but our medium and long-term traders, as I've said on Trader Planet, and I'll say it here again, I've said it directly, to my own clients, and I'll say it here again on Trader Planet, is that 125 is a reasonable target for this particular currency pair. So your longer term traders, that is the area you're looking for. Short term intraday traders, 122.63. So with that said, these are the market positions for October the 5th, 2011. And again, my name is Greg Furman, market analyst here at TraderPlanet.com.